Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Karen, and this is Anna.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
And today we're doing yoga.
Ah, yoga.
I just
He's asleep. You're going to wake him up.
Let's love sign. Yoga. Yoga. You sign. Yoga. Good. Yoga.
Joe, can you take off your socks?
Yes. Ugh. Stinky.
First, we're going to play the parachute game.
Yes, my first delivery. Wait, here. Oh.
Again now.
Ah!
Oh, no. That was the skin now. Again.
To tidy them up again.
Okay, let's do some sky yoga.
No, Joe, not that type of parachute.
Aw. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
In the parachute. Ready? Okay, ready to breathe, everybody. We bring it up to the sky. And down. Where's Anna? Where's Anna? Oh, peekaboo! Joe.
Joe.
Joe, it's okay. It's okay, Joe. Sit down and relax.
Let's love sign. Relax. Relax. You sign. Relax. Good. Relax.
Hello, Aoife. Hello, Elizabeth. Everybody come to the front of their mat.
And Matt, my second delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh.
Joe.
Darsha and Duna. Doors closing. Darsha and Duna.
Oh.
Joe.
Ha-ha. Ah. And Matt.
Joe, that's a doormat. It's okay, Joe. You can use my mat. I'll find another one.
Thank you. Okay, let's do the dog. Let's do the frog.
What's going on? Now, let's start again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get on our surfboard. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump. Surf on our mats. Oh, here comes a big wave. Whoa! Let's on our bellies and swim. Come on, Joe. Let's swim, 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 swim. Are we ready to jump up again? Oh my goodness. One more wave. Ready? My goodness. Oh, poor Joe. Let's sit up. Let's make it easier for Joe. Poor Joe's tired. It's time to lie down.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Wake up, little yogis. Yoga class is over. Joe, what are we gonna do? Will we wake him up? Ready? Listen. Now class is finished. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. It's time for me to go. Can we dance now?
First, we need to warm up our muscles and then we are ready to dance.
Okay, so we're going to warm up our hands and we're going to warm up our wrists and we're going to shake out our ankles and we're going to do a big stretch.
No.
And then we're going to do another stretch. Oh. Oh my goodness.
No. Deep. Deep.
Oh, that's much better.
Aw, thank you, Emer. That's much easier.
Let's love sign. Thank you. Thank you. You sign. Thank you. Good. Thank you.
Come on, Ozzy, let's do this.
Good work, Joe. Now we can start dancing. But first, we need some music. I think you might have a speaker for us.
My first delivery. Wait, here. Oh! A speaker.
That speaker's too small. We need a big speaker so that we can hear the music in the room properly.
We have no music. What's that, Ozzy? You can play the music? Good idea. Ozzy will play the music for us.
Yay! Now it's time to start dancing.
Let's love sign. Now. Now. You sign. Now. Good. Now.
Hello, everybody.
I will be dancing with you today.
Yay!
I have a delivery for you. A costume.
Joe, we need more.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee! We're all ready to dance in the shopping centre now, but we want it to be a big surprise. I think everybody is here. It's time to dance.
Let's love sign. Dance. Dance. You sign. Dance. Good. Dance.
Ozzy, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dance.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. La la la, la la la. Hey, my tattoo, hey.
Roller coaster ride.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Emer's mum.
Joe, you still have one more delivery.
Wait here. Flowers for Emer. Thank you. Now it's time to go.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Joe.
Bye. Here we go, buddy.
Hello, Joe.
Ah, hello. You must be Cara, and you must be Shay.
Hi, Joe. I'm Coach Ken.
Ah, hello.
We're practicing for the bowling later.
Bowling? Oh, I'm really good at bowling. I even have my own ball.
No. That's not a bowling ball. That's a foam ball.
So this is not a bowling ball?
No, Joe.
No?
Bowling balls are hard and heavy.
Wait, here! Aha! Is this a bowling ball?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go bowling.
Let's love sign. Bowling. Bowling. You sign. Bowling. Good. Bowling.
Let's go bowling.
First, we need to get you some bowling shoes.
Joe, let's go.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Cara.
Hello, I'm spraying the shoes to make them smell nice. Oh no, Joe, I haven't sprayed those shoes yet.
Can I have some bowling shoes, please?
What size?
$12.
Sorry, Joe. We have no bowling shoes in your size.
My delivery! Wait, here!
Oh no, those are clown shoes. Not bowling shoes.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day.
Here you go, Joe.
Thank you.
Joe, let's go.
Nice shoes.
Thank you.
Now it's time to do a warm-up. Shay, you go first. Okay.
Shay's really good at bowling.
Joe, it's your turn. Okay.
Bowling is easy.
Let's love sign. Easy. Easy. You sign. Easy. Good. Easy. easy.
Straight down, go!
It's okay.
Oh, bowling is hard. Let's just go again.
Again. Wait here.
I don't know where he is. Bowling is hard.
Let's love sign. Hard. Hard. You sign. Hard. Good. Hard.
What can I get for you, Joe?
Milkshakes, please.
There are no milkshakes, Joe. The blender is broken.
A blender. Wait here.
Oh! This is a good blender.
Really good, honestly. Chocolate milkshakes. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye. Bye, Joe.